Good morning, dear students. Today we shall start some important questions of local maxima and local minimum. My first question is find local maxima and local minima. Its another name is relative maxima and relative minima. Find local maxima and local minima of the function given by f of x equal to sin x plus cos x when the values of x are given 0 to pi. This is the interval given. We have to find the local maxima and local minima of the function given by fx equal to sin x plus cos x in the interval open interval 0 to pi. So we know that local maxima and local minima can be found by two methods. One is first derivative test and second is second derivative test. But we always prefer to apply second derivative test in case of the function is in terms of trigonometric function like sine, cos. So we apply second derivative test. We have already discussed what is second derivative test. We need to first find derivative of function. It is sin x, derivative of sin x is cos x, and derivative of cos x is minus sin x. We again find its another derivative, that is second derivative. So derivative of cos x is minus sin x, and this is minus, and derivative of sin x is cos x. As its name mentioned, second derivative test, we have to differentiate the given functions two times. So put single derivative equal to 0. It gives, what is the value of single derivative? Cos x minus sin x. It is equal to 0. So cos x, you can take this term to the right hand side, equal to sin x. You can divide both sides by cos x to get the value of x. When you divide left hand side by cos x, this becomes 1. When you divide right hand side by cos x, it becomes tan x. So tan x is 1. So tan x is positive. It is positive in first and third quadrant, but we are restricted to only first and second quadrant, 0 to pi. So value of x which lies between the 0 and pi is only pi by 4, because for tangent pi by 4 is 1. This is a critical point. This is the critical point. So local maxima and local minima occurs at this point only. So what we do, at this value of x, we check the sign of double derivative. What is the double derivative? This is minus sin x minus cos x. We substitute the value of x equal to pi by 4 here. Minus sin pi by 4. This is minus 1 by root 2. This is minus 1 by root 2. Taking LCM, we have this one. You can write 2 as the product of under root 2 and under root 2. It is again 2. So it cancels. We have left with negative under root 2, which is less than 0. Here, double derivative, the sign of double derivative is negative. So we have already discussed function has local maxima at x equal to pi by 4. And in order to find the local maximum value, it is given by f of pi by 4. F of pi by 4, this is sin pi by 4 plus cos pi by 4. Sin pi by 4 is 1 by root 2 and cos pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. After taking the LCM, after simplification, you get under root 2. This is answer. Once more, we have to find the local maxima and local minima of the function sin x plus cos x in the interval open interval 0 to pi. This is the function. We have already discussed in case of trigonometric functions, always prefer to apply second derivatives as well. In this case, it is easy to find local maxima and local minima. So first we find single derivative sin x, derivative sin x, cos x, and derivative of cos x is minus sin x. And after finding single derivative, again apply differentiation on both sides. Second derivative of cos x is minus sine and sine x is cos. This is double derivative. In order to find the critical points, you have to put single derivative equal to 0. That is cos x minus sin x equal to 0. It gives cos x equal to sin x. Divide both sides by cos x. We have tan x is 1, x is pi by 4. At this point, you can you can put this point at double derivative. We have double derivative. So put this point value of x in double derivative. This is minus sine by 4. This is minus cos pi by 4. This value is root 2, 1 by root 2. This is 1 by root 2. Taking the LCM, we have minus 2 by root 2. 2 can be written as a product of under root 2 and under root, because it cancels. This is under root 2 with negative sign. This is negative. If double derivative is negative, we have local maxima at this point. And local maximum value is obtained by putting the value of x in this function. Sine pi by 4 plus cos pi by 4. This is under root 2. I hope it is clear. You can practice more questions of local maxima and local minima. Thank you so much.